Hello, class. I'm Will Estes, and the episode I chose is The Office Season 5, Episode 13, titled Stress Relief. This episode has a chaotic group dynamic that really brings issues of power and group roles to the surface. In this episode, Dwight starts a fake fire to test if people really know what to do in an emergency, and everybody in the room panics. Stanley, the big guy, even has a heart attack, and later they have to learn CPR. They have to do a CPR class to learn how to stay calm and stuff. And this shows how the group reacts in a crisis and how people try to be in control. The person who originally tries to be in control first is Michael, which is the manager. So he has a formal power, but he never really acts like a strong leader. So then Dwight tries to take control, but he's not the real manager. He kind of has some informal power, like an internal power, to where he just thinks he kind of is in charge, and people don't really listen to him much after he causes the fake fire when they find out about it. And according to the article in the Harvard Business Review by Ermeling and Rogers 2020, groups often have problems when leaders don't create a safe space for people to speak up, or when informal power challenges formal power, which happens to be the exact thing that happens in this episode. Some people don't listen to Michael. Jim and Pam even make jokes and don't take him seriously. I mean, they never really do in the series. But Stanley's also tired of Michael's behavior, and people in the episode start to follow Oscar more because he is calm, smart, even though he's not the boss. He's just a regular guy that works there. There's a lot of conflict. Dwight does want to be in charge, but people are angry at him because he started a fake fire and made everybody just tweak out about it. Michael tries to fix things because he is a manager, but he kind of talks too much, goes on about stupid things, never really stays on track about one thing, and that does not help at all. The group doesn't really trust their leaders during this problem, and this exercise they did with the fire, how Dwight started it kind of just made trust go up in the air and stuff because Michael reacted in a bad way. Dwight started the fire, which was obviously not a protocol fire drill. It was pretty stupid. Kind of made everyone just freak out about it. And normally in this situation, Michael would be the leader, but nobody listens to him. Other people step up, like as I said, Oscar, try to calm things down, and the group roles. It changed during the stress and conflict during the climax of it. The roles changed because Michael obviously kind of just not a good leader at all, and Dwight is just, people don't really respect him as much as he thinks they do. And he also breaks a lot of rules about safety and trust while he is heating up the handles and stuff, turning off the fire alarm deliberately instead of having a controlled fire alarm, fire protocol just to get over. He kind of does his own thing. And this episode shows that power is not just about having a title, and that people need to respect and trust you. So if you think you're a manager of a company, you think you have a position of power, but if nobody trusts you in a situation like that, does it really matter that you have that position named as a manager? In a group setting, you need to have that. You need to have the respect and trust of your peers and your group mates, not just the role as a leader or a manager. Thank you, class.